Welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. Today we are going to do integers, lesson 6, exercise 6.1 of class 6. Okay, so already we have given an introduction of about integers. So if you didn't go through that one, please go through the same, and after that please watch this one. Okay, first question is write the opposites of the following. Write the opposites. So first question is increase in weight. What is the opposite of increase in weight? Decrease in weight. Decrease in weight. Okay. And next question is 30 kilometer north. Means 30 kilometer north. So 30 kilometer south. The opposite of 30 kilometer north is 30 kilometer south. Now opposite of 80 meter east. 80 meter east means opposite is 80 meter west. Now, next question is loss of rupees 700. Loss of rupees 700 means gain or profit of rupees 700. And next question is 100 meter above sea level. What is the opposite of above? That is below. So, 100 meter below sea level. Okay, now question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Means we have to put either positive or negative sign along with the numbers. So represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. So first question is an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Above means positive, below means negative. So here profit means positive, loss means negative. Okay, withdrawal means negative, deposit means positive. So here it is above the ground. So above the ground means we will represent this as plus 2000 meter. Represent the following numbers as integers. So we have represented, it is also not required. Represent numbers as integers with appropriate signs. So we have represented this number as plus 2000. Next question. A submarine means it will go inside, downside. Okay. So a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meters below the sea level. Means below the sea level means negative. So minus 800. Minus 800. Now next question is a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means positive, withdrawal means negative. So a deposit of rupees 200. So that will be plus 200. And a withdrawal of rupees 700. Last question is withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means negative. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. We have to represent these numbers on a number line. So let us make one number line. Our maximum number is 8 and the minimum number is minus 10. So we have to combine all these numbers in a number line. Now we have to represent these numbers in the number line. So we know that all the numbers which is right to the 0 is positive and which is to the left of 0 is negative. So first we have to consider plus 5. We have to plot this 5. So plus 5 means positive number. So it will be the right side of 0. That is this one is plus 5. Okay. And next question is minus 10. Minus 10 will be to the left of 0. That is we have to find where is minus 10. It is here. So minus 10 is this one. We have to represent this number. Next number is plus 8. Plus 8 means positive. That will be to the right of 0. That is, it is here. Plus 8. Now, next number is minus 1. Minus 1 will be to the left of 0. That is, minus 1 is here. And minus 6. That also will be left of 0. That is minus 6. Where it is? Here. So, we have to represent like this. In this way, you can represent any number of digits on a number line. If it is only minus plus 5, then we can reduce this negative sides from up to, we can make up to minus 2 only here and up to 6 here. Because this which those sides which you have to make, that should be extended. If it is minus 15, then only up to 1 we will make here, and minus 15 we will extend this side mostly. More numbers will be on the left side. And if it is plus 15, then more numbers will be on the right side. In this way you have to represent. Okay, now let's question number 4. Now next question is adjacent figure. This is a figure. Okay, adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. This is a number line which is representing all the integers. Observe it and locate the following points. We have to see this and we have to locate the points. So first one is, if point D is equal to plus 8, then which point is minus 8? So where is D? It is here. This is D and this is 0. So from here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the right side and this is the left side. That means this will be the negative side. Means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay. So the question is, if point D is equal to plus 8. D is plus 8 means from here onwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D is plus 8. Then which point is minus 8? When it is 8 here, then this will be 0. So from here onwards we will go to the other side, that is negative side, and we have to find where is minus 8. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is minus 8. So how we will say f is equal to minus 8. Which point is minus 8? F is equal to minus 8. Okay, first question understood. Next one, if it is point G a negative integer or a positive integer. Where is G here? Here is G. Okay, we know that from this side onwards, these all are negative integers and these all are positive integers. So we have to tell whether G is a negative or a positive. So G is on this side after 0. So G is a negative integer. Okay, so if G is a negative integer or a positive integer, it's a negative integer. So this is, we will say G is a negative integer. Okay, and next question. Write integers for points B and E. Write the integers for points B and E. Where is B? B is here. That is from here. This is the 0 point. So here onwards 1, 2, 3, 4. This is B. So what is number 4? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. So B is plus 4. What is the value of B? B is plus 4. B is equal to plus 4. And what is the value of E? Let us see. E is here. Here it is E. So again let us check whether what is the value of E? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So E is equal to minus 10. E is equal to minus 10. Okay. Now next question. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Least value, what will be the least value? In the from this, already you know that 8 is smaller, greater than 0. 0 is greater than minus 8 and this is minus 10. So we know that the last value in this number line will be the least value. On the negative side, minus 10, E is the last value. So this is the least value, last number. That is, which point on this number line has the least value? E is the point. The point is E. E has the least value. Now, next question is, arrange all the points in the decreasing order of value. In the decreasing body only. Means decreasing order means from higher number to the lower number. That is, we have to write the greatest number first. So here the greatest number is D. D is the greatest value. D has the greatest value. After that C. Now B. Then A. Then O. Now H. Then G, F, E. G, F, E. Okay. So we have arranged all in the decreasing order of value. Means we can write this as this one, this order. Okay. So we have arranged all the points in the decreasing order of value. This has the highest value, that is plus 8, and E has the lowest value, minus 10. Okay. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we are coming with the next part in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.